Good morning, everybody. Thank you for tuning into my video. I'm here to tell you all about the American Opportunity Tax Credit, also known as the AOTC. It's a tax credit that helps benefit college students. And if you can all recall, a few weeks ago when we did our questionnaires, I asked if anyone had heard of this, and out of a class of 11 educated college students, only one other person knew about it, which is just kind of sad in a way, especially because all this information can be easily found online on websites like the irs.gov and efile.com, which is a couple of the places where I found a lot of my information. So this can really help you all out, and I hope that you listen carefully to this video because I think that it could really help you in the next few years in your college journey, if you will. So let's just jump right in and I will tell you all about the AOTC, how to qualify for it, and the benefits of the tax credit. Okay? And so the AOTC is eligible for undergraduate students, like I said, in their first 4 years of higher education. So unfortunately, super seniors cannot qualify the last 5th year that they're in school. It is a tax credit that allows you to claim up to $2,500 of eligible education expenses. That means you can pay off $2,500 of your tuition on December 30th, and then if you file for your taxes early, you can get it back as early as February, which is pretty crazy. It's basically like a very short-term loan, if you think about it that way. From the articles that I found, they all talked about how the AOTC is a good thing and worth utilizing as an undergraduate student. It's literally free money, and college students are notorious for not having money. So they talk about how to maximize it, like in the Maximizing the Higher Education Tax Credit article that I found, and also in the Academic Journal of Accounting it says to save up all your receipts and everything like that. Another article that I found called Tax-Based Aid in College Enrollment suggests looking at the AOTC like a grant or a loan, like I said. But it doesn't just have to be tuition as well. Like, some people are like, well, Kira, you know, I have a full ride and I have all these scholarships because I was a 4.0 student in high school. And that's great for you. I'm really happy for you. I had a 2.0 GPA in high school, so yeah, I'm screwed. But this can also cover books, which is really cool, because I know like nursing students and art students, they are notorious for spending hundreds of dollars a semester on either books or supplies, and that's 2 semesters a year, so that adds up really quickly. As long as you just save those receipts from the bookstore, from Amazon when you're ordering like an English lit book, you know, everything adds up, and if you hit up to $2,500, you can get all that back. So that's really cool. And like I said before, it is kind of sad to me that no one knows about this because it can really help people out. Like, it really helped me out when I found out about it, because I went to get my taxes done when I was a freshman of college to start filling out FAFSA, and I had never done my taxes before, so I dropped 3 years of taxes on my poor tax lady's desk, Jane Booten. I still go to see her every year after that. She's great. And she realized that I was kind of in a fucked up situation. I mean, didn't mean to say that. I was kind of in a weird situation. And so she wanted to help me out. So she told me about this AOTC, and she said that, you know, if you are able to save $2,500, you can get it back without taking out loans. And so that was really important to me because freshman year I was staying on campus instead of commuting, which is what I do now. And I just dropped my ring. And so the next year I went to her and I had saved the $2,500 like she said, and I spent it on school. And she was able to get me back $5,000 that year. The $2,500 from, you know, the education tax credit, and then everything else was just from my own work payroll taxes, basically. And then that $5,000 really helped me for that year, because I was able to pay off some of the loans from freshman year, and I was also able to put a like a down payment on a rental, not a down payment, first, last, and security is what I mean. So that's a lot of money, and I wouldn't have had that money without this tax credit, literally. But my argument is that this is free money, and you should go get that because you deserve it, and this is one of the most challenging financial times that we're gonna have as young adults. So the more stuff like this, the more social programs that we have available to us, the better, in my opinion. And it can also help you in the future. Like, if you're not taking out loans now, you have a better start when you graduate, and that's really important. But some people think that this is maybe using the system a little bit. Like, this money is coming from somewhere and you're taking it, and yeah, the money is coming from me. Like, I paid this money to the government, and now I'm taking it back because I'm allowed to. So, I don't know. Just follow your own moral compass, and if that says you shouldn't take money that's owed to you, then you shouldn't take money that's owed to you. But mine says, take that money, take that bag, and go. But even the scholarly articles that I read all pointed towards doing this, and it's like, I don't think that it's a bad thing at all to be utilizing tax credits because they're there for a reason. But in conclusion, go get your money. I hope that I have well informed all of you in the AOTC, how to qualify for it and the benefits of it. And I think you're all gonna do great in filing your taxes next year. Alright, have a good one. Bye.